Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this VEVOR infrared electric heater. So come on with me, let's jump into this review. Here's our heater. Let's take a look at the size. You are right at 12 inches across the front. You're at about 10 inches and deep. About 9 3/4 inches deep this way. The unit comes with a remote control. You've got all of your buttons up here, so you can use either the buttons across the front or the remote control to control it. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Plug it in to turn it on. Push it right there. So you can see it's turned on at 72 degrees right there. So this is going to run till it gets to 72 degrees and then it'll kick off. If I want that to be higher, here's 73, 74, 75, come back down. I'm just pushing the down. You can set it on a timer to just run for a certain amount of minutes. The nice thing about the infrared heat or the electric is that it's a clean heat. It's not throwing a bunch of moisture in the air. It's not throwing a foul smell in the air. Very good for a shop like this. Just set it on the edge of your workbench or down on the floor and let it go. Take the edge off the cold in the shop, but a very clean heat. That's lightweight. And it's got some safety features. It's got tip over protection. See how that immediately turned off the heating element? Now the fan's going to continue to run to cool it down, but the heat element kicked off. So the heater also has what's called eco mode, and what that is when you put it on eco mode, the unit is actually set to warm up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. So the unit's going to only use as much energy as necessary to go to 68 slowly, and then it'll kick on and kick off at 68 degrees. So if you were going to leave this in a room as a room heater, maybe a bedroom at night, something like that, you can leave it on and it's going to do its own thing with that smart technology, and it's going to help manage the energy so that it's not going to use all 1500 watts in order to run the unit. When the unit's running at its full 1500 watts, that's 5,118 BTUs. Again, to turn it off, using the remote, you just click on that. You can see it shuts the element down. It's going to wind down with the fan. It's going to cool the heating element off, and then it'll turn off. That's your VEVOR infrared electric heater.